Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Santander Bank and more specifically how you can order checks for Santander. So first, just a little background on what checks are. A check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give the check to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit that check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we kind of know what a check is, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Santander bank account and routing number on it. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Santander Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, santanderconsumerusa.com. You can also check the description for the link to the website. The first way is going to be to log on to your Santander Bank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on that. That will then bring you to this screen where you can enter your username and password to sign in. If you don't have a username and password, you'll see a link at the bottom of the screen that says "Don't have an account, sign up for online access." So you'll just click for that link and then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, you're going to go to banking options and order online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is by calling the customer service number for Santander Bank. You can usually find this phone number on the back of your Santander debit card, and it's probably going to be the easiest place that you can find the phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Santander website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways that you can find this phone number, be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way to order checks is going to be by going to google.com and doing a search for order replacement checks for Santander Bank. I've already got this tab up and I've typed into the search bar order replacement checks for Santander. And as you see, what this does is bring up several third-party vendor websites that you can order your checks from. Bradford Checks Exchange, Checks Unlimited, both of those are very popular websites that you can order your checks from. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor, but if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll have to have your exact Santander Bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order checks from the Santander Bank account website or through their customer service number, those numbers are not going to be automatically loaded and you'll have to provide them yourself. And you want to make sure that you get your account and routing numbers exactly right so that you don't have to worry about bounced checks or things like that. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this video useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on Santander Bank.